Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Kaplan Point, whether it's a buy at around 470, 465 or an avoid. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Now, about the company, Kaplan Point was established in 1990 and they provide pharmaceutical drugs in regulated and emerging markets. They are awaiting US FDA approvals on many facilities, exports to Europe and Asia, and particularly Americas. So, they have a big base in South and Central America, in which they are doing very well. Market cap of the company is around 3,000 crores. These are financials and these are Q2 numbers. The sales dropped by around 11% and profit grew by around 3.5%. So nothing magnificent in the numbers, although numbers of other pharmaceutical companies were even better. But overall, the return on equity for the company is a whopping 37% and an operating profit margin is of 31%. That tells you that the company does a lot in terms of operational efficiency and cost cutting and reducing expenses in order to shore up profits, and they are doing well on both on the bottom line and is trying to do well on the top line. If they get some US FDA approvals, they'll be able to do extremely well in the space. If you look at the performance, then stock has been falling relentlessly since July of 2017, and this has been an enigma. But the stock has fallen a lot from 750, 780 levels and 700 levels, 680, 700, and it is at 465 right now. Was stabilizing around 500 when I made this video, but has gone down to 465. So when I made the presentation, it was around 500 and was stable there. Now it has lost even further ground, around 75% from the top, and currently trading at 465. I think there is more to go on the downside. I think 440 is very much possible on the stock, but those will be very attractive levels to get into. I believe that the management is trustworthy, is pretty good, although anything can happen, so keep a stop loss. But overall, from the outside, as I see it as a retail investor, the management looks fine and the valuations look extremely attractive. If you look at other companies in the segment, they are expensive at the moment comparatively, so 20, 25, 30 times earnings, but this is trading at very attractive valuations if things really go right going forward in the next couple of years. What were the reasons for the decline earlier? Currently, the reasons for the decline, I don't know much, but the stock has fallen from 550 to 460. Now, I don't know why that fall of 15 17% has taken place, but the fall till 500, 520 from 690, the reason was delay in US FDA approvals. They are trying for many key US FDA approvals, which they are unable to get. Defensives went out of favor from 2016 onwards up till the early part of 2020, and for the last 3 4 years it didn't do that well. Remember that their lower margin products have greater share in the business, but that has changed over years. So over the last couple of years, over the last 18 months, it has been higher margin businesses that is taking now a greater and greater share. So things have improved, and that's why the operational efficiency and the numbers on ROEs front is pretty good. Small caps went out of favor from 2018 January till 2020 probably April, and that was the reason for that first fall, as I mentioned. And there are better alternatives available, and probably this is the major reason, because many better alternatives are showing more traction, and it is believed that they'll show better numbers going forward in the mid cap pharma and the large cap pharma. Another thing is that the pharmaceutical industry, although IT is doing well, but the pharma stocks are consolidating for the last month or so. So that is why Kaplan, being a weaker player in this segment, has declined. Other stocks have consolidated rather than going up. So probably another rally will take the stocks. stock further up. So better alternatives in the industry, and that the pharma index itself is currently consolidating may be an explanation for the stock to go down from the 500 levels. And also US FDA approval not coming through is also a major reason that major approvals are awaited. Let's see when they go through. And global uncertainty is always there with respect to the pandemic in Argentina, Bolivia, etc. That's where their major share of, you can say, sales come through in Central America and South America. So if that doesn't, you can say, rectify and becomes normal, I think there will be pressure on the numbers. So probably these are the reasons why the stock has declined over time. But over the next 3 to 5 years, things should improve, and the management is very good in bringing this company to this level of around 3,500 crores or so from maybe hundreds of crores was the market cap about 4 or 5 years back or 7 years back. So what needs to be done? Can buy for long term at these levels. These are very attractive levels. Have a good 4 or 5 year time frame and keep track of global events. Keep a stop loss also. So if you buy, probably buy around 435, 440. Those will be good levels to get into. Wait for slight more decline, but even at current levels can start accumulating. Any level below 500 looks very good, but have a stop loss according to your risk appetite. We don't know about these mid and small cap companies when they turn belly up and all that. I am not saying this company will do that, but in each company, have less than 10% exposure, and keep a stop loss according to your risk appetite. That okay, I'm not ready to lose 20%, 25%, 15%, whatever, and get out if that happens. Otherwise, if things really materialize, this stock can end up being 2 3x from these levels over the next 5 years. So this was a video on Captain Point. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.